Cat neat. Cat and girl had always been good friends. Sale for the yarn. One day, girl brought home a colorful new guest. His name was Yarn. Cat was fascinated by Yarn. He'd never had a friend so bright and rolly. The two of them were inseparable. But girl also wanted to play with Yarn. Cat waited and waited. He wasn't sure what girl was up to, but he didn't like it. When Yarn returned, he wasn't his usual bouncy self. Cat's friend had changed. Cat did not like his new Yarn one bit. He was inchy and stuffy and no fun at all. Cat was so mad, he hardly noticed the cold snow. He had to get away from this new Yarn. Soon, Cat realized just how cold it was. Warming up to something new takes time. Yarn may have changed, but they would always be friends. Another sale. Then one day, girl brought home a group of colorful guests. And then, like this. So that is the end of Cat's Neat.